Are you looking for new ways to naturally whiten your teeth? In the modern day, whiter teeth have become more important than ever. Your pearly whites have become a symbol of attractiveness, status, and ability. To give off the right impression, having your teeth looking their best is number one. We've all looked in the mirror from time to time and been dismayed at how yellow our teeth looked.
Beautiful white teeth make for the best smiles, and a smile can make a big difference in a first impression.
But the trouble is you may not want to use traditional tooth whitening solutions. Often, tooth whitening methods involve harsh chemicals and expensive treatments that are unpleasant to use. They produce results, but what if you want something a little more natural? We're all looking to save a little money, and remedies found around the home are great.
Luckily, there are several ways to whiten teeth naturally. Many of them are somewhat abrasive, so you'll need to use care, but over time, you will see the stunning results.
So, let's dig in and start to brighten up that smile. 1. Banana peel teeth whitening. Bet you didn't expect this. Banana peels can sometimes be an effective stay-at-home branch of teeth whitening.
So, what's the apPEEL? Using a banana peel is a viable all-natural method. This is simply because banana peels are bursting with nutrients such as polyunsaturated fatty acids, potassium, dietary fiber, proteins, and amino acids. All of which can sometimes contribute to a whiter smile. It's nature's way of shielding your teeth from habits that cause surface stains and yellow teeth. The potassium within banana peels makes your gums and teeth healthier. If you want the peace of mind that whitening your teeth won't cause your mouth harm with unnatural elements, then using the banana peel method is for you. Unfortunately, the banana peel tooth whitening method is time-consuming. In order to see results, you will have to carry out the method each day for 2 weeks. This is bad news for those who can't fit anything extra in their schedule, or struggle to keep with a new habit. There's more. The banana peel method can be uncomfortable for some users. That's even if you like bananas in the first place. Having the banana peel mush sitting on your teeth is enough to make anyone feel squeamish. When comparing the comfortability and results of this method to professional tooth whitening methods like a tooth whitening kit, it just doesn't compare. 2. Lemon slice teeth whitening. Another natural stay-at-home method to whiten teeth is the lemon slice method. Using this method, you can rest easy knowing that what you're doing to your teeth is completely natural and reap the rewards of a whiter smile. Unfortunately, this doesn't mean that it's necessarily beneficial for your dental health. Lemons possess a pH of roughly 2.3. This means that what you're exposing your teeth to is extremely acidic. Numerous health experts agree that the citric acid found in lemons does whiten your teeth. However, frequent use could cause problems. This citric acid has been known to erode and cause damage to your tooth enamel. In some cases, users of this method have found that their teeth have become even more susceptible to stains and yellowing. Partnering this fact along with the incredible sour and unsavory flavor of lemons, this method isn't for everyone. When comparing results, dental health, and comfort of use, the lemon slice teeth whitening method doesn't compare to professional methods like teeth whitening kits or strips. 3. Using baking soda at home to whiten teeth. Baking soda is a popular ingredient in most commercial whitening toothpastes due to its whitening properties. One study shows how toothpaste containing baking soda is more effective at removing unsightly teeth stains than toothpaste without baking soda. Because it creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, it prevents bacteria from growing, thus helping you maintain your oral hygiene. Be aware that this ingredient is abrasive, which helps scrub away any stains on your teeth, and may wear away your tooth enamel and damage your gums. 4. Teeth whitening using coconut oil. Coconut oil isn't just great for cooking and skincare.
its amazing properties make it ideal for teeth whitening via oil pulling as well. Oil pulling has to be done regularly so you can achieve the best results possible.
Simply put a spoonful of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it thoroughly between your teeth for up to 20 minutes. Afterwards, spit the oil and rinse your mouth. The oil pulling method is too time-consuming for you. Apply coconut oil to your toothpaste as with regular toothpaste and brush it on.
While this method is simple and reduces tooth decay and surface stains, it might be challenging to achieve the level of stain removal you're looking for.
5. Hydrogen peroxide remedy to whiten teeth at home. Hydrogen peroxide is a tooth bleaching agent that kills the bacteria in your mouth. Just as with baking soda, you'll find this ingredient in many commercial whitening toothpastes. One study shows how toothpaste containing hydrogen peroxide and baking soda led to significantly whiter teeth. However, the Australian and American Dental Association both say rinsing with peroxide will likely irritate your gums before it does anything to remove stains.
While the whitening benefits are undeniable, hydrogen peroxide can cause tooth sensitivity and other dental problems. 6. Apple cider vinegar.
Much like hydrogen peroxide, apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties. These are excellent for naturally whitening teeth, but also like hydrogen peroxide, it can cause tooth enamel decay. Over time, apple cider vinegar can soften teeth, so don't go overboard using it.
You can use apple cider vinegar as mouthwash. Dilute it in water and swish it around your mouth for a few minutes. Make sure not to use this more than a couple of times a week to keep your teeth healthy. 7. Fruit. Some fruit can help naturally whiten teeth. Pineapple, papaya, and strawberries all have enzymes that can help whiten teeth. Unfortunately, just eating these fruits won't help whiten your teeth.
The easiest way to incorporate these fruits into your oral hygiene routine is to find the toothpaste that includes papain or bromelain. Don't brush your teeth with these fruits, though. The acid in strawberries and other fruits can break down your tooth enamel.
8. Oil pulling.
There is some evidence that oil pulling can help whiten teeth naturally. This process, which involves swishing oil around in your mouth for several minutes, may help kill bacteria and remove food particles. Evidence to support this is inconsistent, but there is some indication it can help.
For this method, you'll want to use coconut oil, sunflower oil, sesame oil, or a similar low-flavor oil. Put a tablespoon or so in your mouth and swish it around for several minutes after brushing. Spit it out and rinse your mouth out. 9. Brushing and flossing. Of course, the best way to keep your teeth white is to brush and floss often. This is crucial to overall oral health, and nothing else will prevent bacteria growth more. Flossing is also essential to removing food particles. Make sure you brush your teeth at least twice a day. Brush for 2 minutes, and make sure you don't forget the back of your teeth. Rinse your mouth thoroughly afterward, and follow up with mouthwash if you like. 10. Mustard oil and salt. It is a unique home remedy for teeth whitening and for killing the harmful bacteria in your mouth. Mustard oil is extracted from mustard seeds and has numerous uses. It has been used for ages in the southeastern region to make hair long and lustrous. When applied on teeth with some salt mixed into it, it acts as the perfect natural whitener. 1 part salt and 3 parts mustard oil is all you need. So, if you are taking 1 teaspoon of salt, use 3 teaspoons of mustard oil, and rub it on your teeth for a few minutes. You can either use your finger to massage it on your gums and teeth or gently use your toothbrush. Do so for about 3 minutes and see the results for yourself. You should also floss your teeth every time you brush. Floss in between all of your teeth, twisting the floss to get a new section for each tooth. If you can't floss, or if you prefer not to, You can also use a water pick to remove hidden food particles. The other biggest thing you can do to keep your teeth white is to avoid foods that cause stains. Many foods and drinks can stain your teeth, especially if you consume them a lot. Staying away from those foods can help keep your teeth pearly white. We hate to tell you this, but coffee is one of the biggest culprits of tooth stains. Red wine and soda are also terrible for white teeth. Dark berries, tea, and tobacco, smoking or chewing, can cause teeth to turn yellow. The good news is you don't have to give up coffee or red wine forever. Moderation is the name of the game in this case. Enjoy these treats on occasion, and make sure to rinse your mouth out with water right afterward.